Welcome back. Every exam mark you'll lose to a formula is a mark you didn't have to lose. The green belt math is a small, learnable family. Today, the Masterclass, the defect family, the capability family, and the inference family. What each formula wants, what it returns, and the traps between them. Then we put them to work on the platform's calculator workbench, fast. Bring a coffee. Let's make the math boring. The defect family, 4 moves. DPU, defects over units. How sick is the average unit? DPMO, defects over units. Times opportunities, scaled to 1,000,000. The fair comparison across products of different complexity. Yield from DPU, e to the minus DPU, the Poisson shortcut exams love. And RTY, rolled throughput yield, multiply the step yields, never average them. 3 steps at 95% are not 95%. They're 85.7. Errors compound. That's the whole point. The capability family, 1 geometry. CP, spec width over 6 sigma. Could the process fit if centered? CPK, distance from mean to nearest spec over 3 sigma. Does it fit as it sits? The K is the honesty tax for being off-center. CPK never exceeds SEPA. PP and PPK, same formulas. Long-term sigma, the performance the customer actually receives. And the bridges, sigma level is 3 times CPK short-term. Add the 1.5 shift to translate long-term DPMO into short-term sigma. 1 geometry, 5 names. Speed run, I'll use the LeanProjax platform, the toolkit's calculator workbench, 12 calculators, no saving, pure math. DPMO first, 1,500 defects, 10,000 units, 4 opportunities, 37,500 DPMO, sigma about 3.3. Capability, spec 10 to 14, mean 12.2, sigma 0.6, CP 1.11, CPK exactly 1.0. That gap is the centering tax. RTY 3 steps, 99, 97, 95, 91.2 rolled, and the sigma tab converts any of it back. 1 workbench, every formula from this course. This is where you drill until the exam is a formality. The inference family, choose, don't compute blind. T equals signal over noise, mean difference over standard error. The same skeleton in 1 sample, 2 sample, and paired clothing. Confidence interval, estimate plus minus T times standard error. And N inside a square root means quadrupling the sample only halves the interval. Regression, slope is rise per unit of x, r squared is the share of y explained. And the master trap, alpha is chosen before, p is computed after. Never compare 2 p-values to each other, only p to alpha. Exam drill. Question 1, 200 defects, 4,000 units, 5 opportunities each. DPMO. 200 over 20,000 is 0.01. 10,000 DPMO, roughly 3.8 sigma with the shift. Question 2. A process runs CP 1.6 but CPK 0.8. Diagnose it and name the cheapest fix. The spread fits easily. It's badly off-center. Recenter the mean and CPK climbs toward 1.6 without touching variation. Centering is usually the cheapest capability you'll ever buy. That's every formula the exam can throw at you, organized into 3 families with 1 workbench to drill them. Final lesson next, the full mock exam, timed, mixed, and honest, with every trap this course has warned you about. One more step, subscribe and I'll see you at the finish line.